Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the online classes of Asian Model School, Charsad Darman. Today we'll take start of our first chapter. The name of the chapter is Our Country in the World. It is from Geography section. The name of the country is Pakistan. As we know that the full name of Pakistan is Islamic Republic of Pakistan. It is in the continent Asia. You can see the map in your book, page number 1. Use the word pencil and note the important points are difficult words meaning. The map below shows the continent of Europe, Asia, and Africa. In this map, you can see three continents like Asia, Europe, and Africa. And look the position of Pakistan in this map. But first of all, you must know about the map. What is mean by map? Map is the symbolic representation of the earth and its features are you can see मैप जमीन या उसकी किसी खास इलाके को हमवार सतह पर पेश करना. We have different kinds of map like political map, physical map, and relief map. In political map, you can show or you can see the borders, town or cities. Political map में आपको नजर आती है उसके मुल्क के शहरों, कस्बों और एक मुल्क के दूसरे मुल्क के साथ बॉर्डर्स के बारे में. फिजिकल मैप it shows hills, mountains, rivers, valleys, etc. फिजिकल मैप में आपको किसी मुल्क के हिल, माउंटेन्स, रिवर्स और वैलीज के बारे में दिखाया जाता है. रिलीफ मैप. Now what is mean by relief map? Relief map shows the height of the land with the use of different colors. Relief map में आपको मुख्तलिफ कलर्स के जरिए सतह ज़मीन की बुलंदी के बारे में बताया जाता है. In book page number 1, map number 1, you can see all the Muslim countries of the world are color green. Why they are color green? Because green is the traditional color of the Islam. That is why you can see the Muslim countries are color green. In this map, you can also see the countries like China and India, though they are not Islamic state, but here Muslims are also in majority. And all the Muslim states, you can see that here Islamic laws are followed and majority of the population is Muslim. In the map of Pakistan, you can also see the green color represent the Muslims. Look the position of Pakistan in this map. Now Pakistan is strategically located as a link between the Islamic bloc means group of countries to the west and north and the South Asian countries to the east. मैप में आप देख सकते हैं कि पाकिस्तान की पोजीशन important position है. West की तरफ all the Muslim countries are connected. In the east also. In the north you can also see like the Central Asian republics like Tajikistan, Uzbekistan, Kyrgyzstan, Turkmenistan and Kazakhstan, which are very rich in minerals. Now page number 2. In this map, on page number 2, you can see the position of Pakistan with its neighboring countries. Look at the map. Now look map of Pakistan. In the northeast, you can see the country China. In the east, you can see India. In the northwest, you can see Afghanistan. In the Iran, and Iran is located in the west of Pakistan. Arabian Sea, you can also see Arabian Sea in the south of Pakistan. Look above from Afghanistan, you can also see Central Asian republics. This map also shows the South Asian countries. Now, what are the South Asian countries? There are 7 South Asian countries like Bangladesh, Bhutan, India, Maldives, Nepal, Pakistan, and Sri Lanka. इन दिस मैप, इस मैप में आपने पाकिस्तान की लोकेशन और उसकी जो हमसाया ममालिक है इसके बारे में देख लिया है और पढ़ लिया है. This map shows the subcontinent. Subcontinent mean बरसगीर में कौन कौन से ममालिक शामिल है और which countries are included in the subcontinent? They are Pakistan, India, Bangladesh, Kashmir, and also some part of Myanmar. It is consisted of subcontinent which are nowadays included in the independent countries of Pakistan, India, Bangladesh, and the disputed territory of Kashmir and its neighboring countries. The subcontinent is largely shut off from the rest of Asia by the desert in the west. Here the question is arise why that is called the subcontinent. The word sub means, the word letter mean that sub is a Latin word meaning a smaller part or lesser. It means इससे हमें पता चलता है कि subcontinent like पूरा continent तो नहीं है लेकिन कॉन्टिनेंट जितना है कह सकते हैं और इसे बाकी कॉन्टिनेंट से यानी रेस्ट ऑफ एशिया से लाइक अलग कर दिया गया है. कैसे? बाय द डिजर्ट्स ऑफ इन द वेस्ट. इनके यानी सब कॉन्टिनेंट के वेस्ट में आपको डिजर्ट्स नजर आते हैं एंड द माउंटेन रेंजेस ऑफ Hindu Kush. You can see the mountain ranges in the northwest. And in the north, you can see Karakoram and Himalaya mountain in the northwest and north. In the north, you can see Karakoram and Himalaya, and in the northwest, you can see the mountain ranges of Hindu Kush. Pakistan is located in the northwest of the subcontinent. Where is Pakistan is located in the subcontinent? It is in the northwest. यानी subcontinent के शुमाल मगरबी हिस्से में Pakistan वाक़या है. All through history, very important travel routes to and from the rest of Asia have passed through it because of the passes. Now, what is mean by the pass? These are the natural routes through the mountain ranges and link one region to another. Pass mean दर्रा, पहाड़ों के दरमियान जो तंग रास्ता होता है उसको पास यानी दर्रा कहते हैं. In the west, the Khyber and Bolan passes lead to Afghanistan and on to Iran. Central Asia means Tajikistan, Uzbekistan, Kyrgyzstan, Turkmenistan, and Kazakhstan, and even Europe. वेस्ट में जो हैबर और बोलान पासेस है ये पाकिस्तान को अफगानिस्तान से मिलाता है, फिर ईरान, इवन फिर सर्टन एशिया और आखिरकार यूरोप. जो नॉर्थ में हमारे पास है इन द नॉर्थ द हाई हुंजरा पास. जो हुंजरा पास है ये पाकिस्तान को चाइना से मिलाता है. स्टूडेंट इंटरनेट प्रॉब्लम की वजह से आज हमारा लेक्चर यहाँ तक कंटिन्यू रहा. बाकी हम इंशाल्लाह कल एक्सप्लेन करेंगे. अल्लाह हाफिज.